Morning, everybody. Brad Johnson. We're going to do Bottom Line Thursday.
Chris
Hey,
Bowling.
Brad, Chris Byer, good to see you.
All right, you too. Well,
What do we
hey,
have?
I tell you what, I've got a topic I don't know much about, but it was so fascinating. I thought, hey, good discussion item for a Thursday,
Yes.
right? So it's something called organs on chips. It's not made by Frito-Lay, as far as I know. Um,
Sounds snackable.
it does sound snack. I like that word. So here's what the technology does. So I guess the FDA is looking to phase out over time animal testing, to figure out what a drug does to humans. Let's start with an animal, and I'm sure for various reasons are looking to get away from that.
Yeah.
But it also takes a long time to do those trials and so forth. So imagine like a USB size chip that they can put tissue on, human cells, and then somehow through a computer figure out to simulate how those cells would react to various drug therapies and all kinds
Wow.
of other things.
Crazy.
And the beauty of it, it would speed up drug development because it's the actual human tissue, not the mouse tissue that we're trying to extrapolate.
Yeah.
See, does it, make a difference for people? So keep an eye on that. But it's something I had never heard of. I didn't even know it was going on. It's called organs on chips, and it might be snackable. I don't know. So anyhow, that's the topic for today.
That
The paleo
is,
diet.
yeah, just good old organ meat. That's
Yep.
it. So,
Eat organ.
you think about that, I think number one, just not having to test on animals. That's a controversial piece, but how quickly you can get the results now to say this isn't, now we have to figure out what it would be like in a human because we know it's that much different in a pig. Like this is exactly there. I mean, that's going to speed up testing and probably understand side effects even more efficiently than what we're doing today.
Crazy.
Again, I have no idea what they're doing, but that sounds cool.
Yeah, there was a cool video in the article I linked to, so if people want to check that out, it does a much better job explaining than I just did, but just fascinating.
Yeah, I saw something similar over the weekend that they were taking a liver and then they would grow that liver in the lab. Really no different, Brad, than what you're talking about. And then they could do the drug testing. They can impact that liver with XYZ disease, and then they could test a drug directly on that liver. And it's groundbreaking. It's going to bring drugs to market
Yeah.
much quicker. And yeah, it's kind of cool.
Fascinating. All for under $100, I'm quite sure.
I'm sure it is. Yes.
Oh
I'm
wait,
sure.
100,000 million dollars.
All it costs is my copay, right?
That's all you got to worry about.
That's it.
Yeah.
Nothing else to worry about. Oh my
It's free.
goodness.
Nothing's free, people. Nothing.
Yeah, that will be interesting to see where that goes, though. I mean, just my brain just spinning with that now, thinking about all the different things that
Cool.
we want to know real time what's going to happen if we do this procedure or have this drug. I mean, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
awesome.
there you go.
Thank you, Brad. Appreciate
Thanks as always, Brad.
Have a good one.
Wild topic. I appreciate it.
See ya.
All right, we'll see you. Bye-bye.